Disadvantages of Samsung Galaxy M31 mobile phone. The processor in its class is not the most powerful in playing games. There is nothing new about the design. It is the same design as the Samsung M30s. Because it is made of plastic, it can be easily scratched. It did not present a drastic change compared to the Galaxy M30s other than the cameras. We had hoped that the shipping force would come stronger than that, at least like the competitors. You will need to charge the phone for a long time due to the large battery capacity. It does not support the notification lamp, but you can compensate for that through the always-on display. The phone does not come with a transparent case. Samsung Galaxy M31 features. Supports 4K photography, whether in the front or back camera. Supports the operation of two SIM cards and a memory card at the same time. The fingerprint sensor works quickly and face unlock is also available. It supports the operation of the two SIM cards on the 4 grams, but it will make the battery consumption larger. The RAM is very large, which gives you more flexibility to open more applications. Super AMOLED screen offers excellent performance, both in terms of quality and in terms of brightness. The largest battery you will be able to get in its price category and lasts for a long time. It is the same battery as the M30s. Phone cameras offer a distinctive performance. Samsung Galaxy M31 price. For the only 128GB version with 6GB RAM, the price is about $220. We have reached the end of the video. Do not forget to subscribe to the channel, like the video, and comment on the video to encourage us to provide more.